Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, watch. They watch movies. Second, pass. I will pass the test. Three, walk. Rahul walks very fast. Fourth, tree. This is a mango tree. Fifth, write. I write with a pen. Sixth, go. Suresh went to school by bus. Seventh, see. We have seen the Taj Mahal. Eighth, talk. The baby talks well. Ninth, swim. Renu can swim well. 10th, teach. He is teaching mathematics. 11th, run. Ramesh run very fast. 12, fruit. Guava is a tropical fruit. 13, animal. The cow is a pet animal. 14, reach. We reach Agra safely. 15, return. Ram does not return at home. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.